Join me as we uncover the secrets behind their emergence and shed light on the intriguing events that marked the beginning of the dinosaur era. One of the earliest known dinosaurs was Raptor, a small carnivore that lived in what is now Argentina during the late Triassic. The Triassic period was characterized by a hot, dry climate, and most of the continents were clustered together in a supercontinent known as Pangaea, surrounded by a vast ocean called Panthalassa. This geographic configuration had a profound impact on the distribution and evolution of dinosaurs. During the Triassic-Jurassic period, roughly 201 million years ago, there was a significant shift in the Earth's environment. Herbivores developed longer necks and smaller heads for browsing on vegetation, while carnivores became larger and more specialized for hunting. This evolutionary arms race between predators and prey drove the development of new adaptations and led to the emergence of some of the most iconic dinosaur species. For instance, in Europe, the Middle East, and parts of Africa, a distinct lineage of sauropods known as titanosaurs flourished. These titanosaurids, including the famous Apatosaurus, possessed shorter necks and stouter bodies compared to their counterparts in the southern continents. However, the reign of dinosaurs would not last forever. Among the few survivors were the avian dinosaurs, which eventually evolved into the birds we see today. The sudden disappearance of dinosaurs from the fossil record marks a significant transition in Earth's history, giving way to the rise of mammals and ultimately leading to the world we inhabit today. Towards the end of the Cretaceous period, approximately 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event known as the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event occurred. From their humble beginnings as small, agile creatures to their eventual dominance in the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods, dinosaurs captivated our planet for over 165 million years. Their reign came to an abrupt end with the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, leaving behind a legacy that continues to fascinate us today. This mass extinction, often referred to as the KPG event, is believed to have been triggered by the impact of an asteroid or comet that struck the Earth. The impact triggered widespread devastation, including earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. The dust and debris ejected into the atmosphere blocked sunlight, causing global cooling and disrupting climate patterns. This sudden and drastic environmental change had a devastating impact on life on Earth, leading to the extinction of approximately 75% of all species, including the non-avian dinosaurs. This divergence in morphology reflects the different environments and resources available to these dinosaur populations as they evolved independently. These titanosaurs exhibited incredible adaptations, such as elongated necks and tails, allowing them to reach astonishing lengths. One of the most prominent members of this group was Argentinosaurus, a truly colossal dinosaur that lived in South America during the late Cretaceous period. With its massive size and long neck, it was perfectly suited for consuming vegetation from the tallest trees. For example, the sauropods, a group of long-necked herbivores, evolved during this period. Among them was the legendary Diplodocus, known for its exceptionally long neck and whip-like tail. These gentle giants roamed the Earth during the late Jurassic and early Cretaceous periods, leaving behind enormous footprints in the rocks as they gracefully moved across the landscape. The supercontinent Pangaea began to break apart, giving rise to the formation of new land masses. This event had profound implications for the evolution and diversification of dinosaurs. The separation of Pangaea led to the formation of new ocean currents and altered global climate patterns. As the continents drifted apart, they exposed vast regions to different climatic conditions, creating a mosaic of environments across the globe. This fragmentation not only shaped the Earth's physical geography, but also influenced the distribution and evolution of life on the planet. The emergence of new habitats provided ample opportunities for species to adapt and diversify. Dinosaurs, with their inherent ability to thrive in various environments, were well equipped to take advantage of these changes. Their adaptability allowed them to flourish in diverse ecosystems, from lush forests to vast open plains. In fact, fossil evidence suggests that the earliest dinosaurs were primarily small, swift, and agile creatures. This was likely an adaptation to the arid conditions that prevailed during the Triassic. These herbivores were characterized by their distinctive plates along their backs and the presence of bony armor. The scarcity of water and the prevalence of dry. Open habitats favored animals that could move quickly and efficiently, conserving their energy and avoiding dehydration. As a result, early dinosaurs developed slender bodies, long necks, and efficient metabolisms, traits that allowed them to thrive in a challenging environment. Its name translates to dawn robber, aptly describing its position as an early dinosaur. Another famous early dinosaur is Herrerasaurus, a large carnivorous reptile that lived in South America during the same period. Its distinctive skull and powerful jaws gave it a formidable appearance, hinting at the predatory nature of these ancient creatures. Brace yourself for a roller coaster ride through time as we unravel the mysteries surrounding the birth of the most awe-inspiring creatures to ever grace our planet. Let's begin. This distinctive characteristic can be observed in the skeletal structure of dinosaurs, particularly their pelvic structure, which had a distinct configuration that enabled them to stand tall on two legs. It was Sir Richard Owen, a renowned British paleontologist, who coined this term in 1842 when he first proposed that these gigantic reptiles belonged to a distinct group of animals. But what makes dinosaurs so fascinating is not just their immense size or the sheer number of species that evolved over the millennia. It's the mystery surrounding their existence and the countless unanswered questions that still linger in the minds of scientists and enthusiasts alike. For instance, did you know that the exact moment when dinosaurs first appeared on Earth is still debated among experts? Some believe they emerged earlier, while others argue for a later date. This ambiguity only adds to the enigma that surrounds these prehistoric beasts. One of the most popular theories suggests that dinosaurs originated in what is now the southwestern United States, specifically in the area encompassing parts of Texas, New Mexico, and Arizona. According to this hypothesis, the ancestral forms of dinosaurs likely evolved during the Triassic period, which spanned from approximately 252 to 201 million years ago. However, pinpointing the precise moment of their emergence has proven to be a daunting task. The Triassic period was a time of significant ecological upheaval following the devastating Permian-Triassic extinction event, often referred to as the Great Dying, which had wiped out an estimated 70% of terrestrial and marine species. This mass extinction created a void in the ecosystem, providing an opportunity for new life to flourish. One of the defining features of dinosaurs was their upright posture, setting them apart from other reptiles such as lizards and snakes. However, the rise of dinosaurs was not solely due to environmental factors. It also involved a remarkable evolutionary event that set them on their path to greatness. As the Jurassic period progressed, dinosaurs continued to diversify and grow in size. Another notable group that emerged during the Jurassic period was the ceratopsians, which included dinosaurs such as Stegosaurus and Kentrosaurus. In conclusion, the origins of dinosaurs during the Triassic period were marked by adaptation, diversification, and the exploitation of new ecological opportunities.